Residents and business operators in sections of burnt Savannah and Toll Gate in Westmoreland staged protests today, voicing frustration over what they describe as the damaging impact of ongoing curfews in their communities. Protesters say the restrictions are severely affecting livelihoods and limiting business activity. Business operators say the restrictions are crippling their ability to earn, especially during evening hours when many small shops and bars depend on customer traffic.
The curfew is killing us. We have kids. I'm not going to say we're not even recovered as yet from Hurricane Melissa. We have hardly even gotten any support from our Prime Minister. So we are saying the curfew that is on us from 6 a.m. in the morning till 6 in the evening. It's madness. We here, most of us here are shop owners, bar hop persons, because we keep bar hops. That's our livelihood. That's what we use to build back ourselves from Hurricane Melissa. That's what we use to take care of our parents, because of us have old parents.
I cannot open my bar or pay a bartender to come and work for lock bar 6 o'clock. Me not make no money this summer. You understand me? All I community at Burn Savannah right now, a bar operator, bar we survive off of.
Some residents argue that while they understand the need for crime-fighting measures, the prolonged curfews are placing additional pressure on already struggling families. They are now calling on the government representatives and the police to engage the communities and find a balance between public safety and economic survival.
On behalf of the people of my community and in the Frum division, we need the curfew to be lifted. Give us from 7 p.m. in the night to 12 a.m. midnight to keep our run robins, keep our shops open, keep our bars open, so we can keep our kids in school. We can take care of our children.
The curfew was implemented over a week ago. Police, however, argue that it is necessary following a spate of killings in the area. Coming up later in this newscast, Trump warns Taiwan against declaring independence hours after summit with China's Xi. We'll be right back.